Oh, okay. So we're looking at the work in progress title screen. Currently, I don't have the palettes running, so that's why there's green coming out of the sun. It won't be green when the palette's cycling. But I kind of changed up the font coloring. I don't know. I might have it shift the red between the letters, but not quite sure how. I didn't quite like the old pattern. But some of the intro. So we're working on combat, some NPC stuff, and shop stuff, and item stuff I gotta do. I got a good chunk of the combat done. Let's see. We're gonna show some of the merchants. Turn that on. And turn that on. Before I do the merchants, I need to update an NPC real quick. So this one moves. I wanted to play an audio for that. We'll come back to that. Yeah. She moves 3 times. 4 times, technically. And doesn't move. He doesn't move. Okay. So, right. Make sure everything's set proper. Map 2. Trigger number 3. Or trigger 1, number 3. Oh, yeah. I'm doing okay. We're just doing a little progress stream here. We got some audio in here too. Click noises. Okay. And she walked away. Eventually this taxi will do something for you. I'm gonna probably change the graphic as well. We have fence. We have broken fence. I wish I make a chain climb sound. Here's the first door. random waves. Just have default stuff in there for now. So general, this would be general store. So not equipment, but like, I guess usable items and treasure. And you turn left automatically. I'm gonna update those cars. It's like a little mall. With the weapons store person. TV. This will show more than just this eventually. In the gear store. Well, I'm not resetting the cursor to where it should. Oops. Breakable. The desk. So the 3 shopkeepers we currently have. Some will be recurring. Let's close this. Now we could switch back. Disable that. And launch. Well, there's 2 combat events you can run into currently. Let's do the fancy one. You mentioned it. I'll have to look it up still. Excuse me. Okay. So you have these Vatsu. And if you interact with it, some kind of van. Uh-oh. Here's one of the combats. So no, there's no damage right now. And then I got these temporary numbers up on the corners. This center one would be this center character. The far right ones can be damage calculation, which is completely wrong, but it's there. 10 down there is actually the game's mode. So combat uses a few modes, different phases, just like the store does. So you have an arrow pointing at the character who's currently, chosen. And then the middle character, or not the middle character, it's middle pointer on the enemy. If there's more than one, you can use left and right to change. Okay, that's not supposed to happen. That's what testing's for. See, that shouldn't happen. But if there was another guy there, that still shouldn't happen. Whatever. So we're gonna do attack, and he missed. Huh. Well, Pokey, how about you attack? And Milky missed too. And he missed. Oh, he didn't miss though. Damage is still saying 0 though. Why's everyone missing? Oh, that one says 6. 38. Oh, jeez. There could be issues with single player. Or single enemy. Oh, this is also a harder enemy too, so I guess it would have a higher dodge. And all these characters are technically level 1 stats, despite their hit points. Oof. Alright, let's do a reset. They broke their title. Unfortunate. Okay. This one worked. With arrow. I still don't quite like that. I feel like the side arrow should be lower, not higher. And the middle one higher. Feels backwards. I don't even think this matters yet either. But let's attack. Yes. Because everyone gonna miss that I mess up the thing. I might have screwed up their attack. Well, the enemy's gonna attack. Really? We got some 8-bit crunchy audio here. The audio is 8-bit, 11 hertz, 15 at most. So yeah, it's pretty crunchy audio. Oh, they're all missing. It's not like you could win though, so we'll do defend. If you defend, it increases your ability to dodge, and then eventually priority on enemy hit. Guess who they all miss now. So ideally, the dodge not only boosts your, or not the dodge, defend would boost your dodge and also make you priority for the enemy to hit you. Right now, there's no priorities or targets really. Well, except for the enemy target. Why is that so bad? Yeah, they do a lot of damage. Numbers are definitely too off. It should be roll character attack. Enemy agility, character agility. Character agility. Data. Do I have that? Let's run combat. Player one. Player one. Plus the turns. That's what I suspected. I'm not actually, oh shit. What is that called? Don't I call it somewhere else? For now, now the stats are different, so, temp character. Nope. Character. That's right, I'm just using all the same stats, so it doesn't matter what character it is at the moment. But I think that's what I forgot. Temp character, temp character. I think I'm missing one other variable, now that I think about it. Temp character, full tag, the enemy target, set. Okay, that is set. Enemy index is set. So has the temporary character set, the enemy index set, then it calls, or is it get? Yeah. Get character data. Here's like the character stats. Eventually these will be modified by the level. So there'll be a base stat, and then the level will modify these stats. And then here's the enemy stats. They're not final. We'll just, I gotta see how it runs. But that should be right? The roll is not, should work. I shouldn't be missing every single attack now. Latex. Well, these are slime possessed people. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Missed. Missed. Okay. You know, 2 out of 3. Oh, okay. Something might still be wrong. They're hitting fine. Oh, no. They hit. Okay. Jeez, take on. That'd seem really bad, though. Oh, finally. I mean, technically, it's level 1 stat, so. But I think this rate is a little too low. Well, I definitely forgot to have set that. Well, I will work on it later. Do they make red moon pies? Well, anyway, I'll be back in a little bit.